Whoa, Jack, I think I found our lunch.
Good morning, good sir.
Morning. All right?
Are you Tom?
I am, yes.
My name's Tom and I'm a tree surgeon. So I drive a Mitsubishi L200. It's backwards and forwards, in and out of woodland. It's all over the place really, and filthy dirty at the same time.
Tom, it looks like an absolute workhorse. What is a day in the life of the L200?
In and out of the forest, firewood, loading them up, sawdust everywhere, mud, oil.
Leaked out the chainsaw.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else in there we should know about?
Might be some onions or potatoes laying in there as well. Might be growing in there.
What is the inside saying?
Great. I like my takeaways.
So, fair to say, you and the truck are a grafter. Do you mind if we have a look around?
Yeah, crack on.
Cool. Oh, it smells like a kebab shop in here.
That's it.
Staining on this seat, what do you reckon that might be?
Probably just a build up of grime and oil from the chainsaws, I reckon.
There's a thick layer of dust over the dashboard and all of the plastics. When do you reckon it was last cleaned in here?
I reckon that's probably a build up from the last year and a bit, I reckon, year and a half, I reckon, since I cleaned it.
He's telling porkies because there's animals in here.
Oh yeah, nice little spider's web.
There's a lot in here. Let's have a look at that bed. Ah, there's the oil. We've got wood chippings, that's a fire hazard. Why is there an onion in here?
Don't worry about the onion. Why is there socks in here?
Socks? Why have we got socks in here?
To be fair, I really don't know.
There's a lot of work in here. This is going to be graft. Oh, I thought we'd got away with it on the other side. This side is caked. It's not even nearly white.
No, there's mud everywhere.
The arches, these wheels. Oh, let's go and break in the bad news. Tom, I'm going to be honest. There's a lot more work here than I thought there was going to be. You brought half the forest with you.
I have, yeah.
So, we need you. Make yourself scarce for about 8 hours. We're up against it, but we're going to change your world.
Right, let's see if we can find some carpet under all of this mess. Whoa, Jack, I think I found our lunch.
You been finding any mayonnaise in there?
I'll have a dig.
While we're in a decluttering mode, I'm going to sweep out these wood chippings. We want to do it while it's dry, otherwise it's going to stick to the floor and make our lives even harder. Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah, it's all over me.
Joe, don't cry. Oh, what a catch, Ollie. Oh, I think I've just unearthed something.
There's truffles in there. Keep going. Come on. Whoa, let's spray him, man.
Now we've decluttered, let's get the wheels and bodywork washed. Time to tackle the truck's bed. We've got mud, we've got wood chippings, we've definitely got some oil. What I'm going to do, jump in there with a pressure washer and blow out what I couldn't remove with the broom. Now we've got about 90% of the dirt out, it's time to tackle the really stubborn stuff. We've got some oil in there and we've definitely got some mud left. So we're going to use a strong degreaser, spray it on, let it do its thing for 2 or 3 minutes, then scrub it with the broom. Ordinarily, you would never use a broom on a car, but this is a hard wearing surface, so we're going to allow it on this occasion.
Jack, that bed looks amazing. However, we're already 3 hours in.
I don't even feel like we've started the hard bit yet. We've got to wet back the seats, we need to deep clean the carpets. What do you want to do?
The dashboard, it's riddled with grime and I want to get stuck into that.
You're not wrong, let's get it inside.
This job just keeps getting bigger. I'll do a bit of hoovering while you're on the seats. Now the bulk of the hoovering's done, we need to get to the hard to reach places. Top tip at home, grab a soft detailing brush and it's going to allow you to tick all those air vents and get that dust that you never thought you could get. As you can see on this door card here, I'm using a magic sponge. Controversial, but when you're working on a really hard, durable plastic like this, it's more than safe. Bit of interior cleaner and some elbow grease, and it really is the quickest and best way to pull up hard-wearing plastics.
Joe, we've got an hour and a half left. I still need to wet back these seats. You've got to do the carpets, we've got to do the back end. We're up against it, mate. Joe, tools down. Unfortunately, time is up.
Mate, could have done with another 8 hours on it.
Easily. I just hope Tom can see it because we have put in a shift on this.
See what he thinks.
Good evening, Tom. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. You're looking in much better shape than we are.
Been a struggle?
Oh, has it been a struggle, he says? Yeah.
Yeah.
I honestly thought we got so lucky. And then it just got worse and worse and worse.
I'm not surprised.
What's the important bit for you to see on the truck?
Seeing it back to its former glory, probably. And them seats, they were a state.
They were challenging, but proud of how they've come out, to be honest. Would love to show you the truck. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, wow. I've never seen it like that. That's incredible. Is it the same vehicle? It's shining. It's actually white. That's insane. There was so much sawdust and crap and oil. The oil's gone. That's amazing. Oh my God. That is incredible. I didn't think I'd ever see the real colour in these seats again.
Tom, what do you think?
It is absolutely amazing. I didn't think I'd ever see it back to this again.
Good, appreciate that. Do you promise to keep the takeaways out the truck?
I will definitely keep them out now. It smells and looks lovely.
Wonderful.